Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing video, and obviously it's been a while since I've unboxed a double pack for you guys from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and from this assortment, I would say this is like the only new doubles pack that's out there, and I think it's the first time in a while that this double pack where both of the trucks are actually brand new, instead of like one being a new truck and then the other one is like either a repeat or maybe it's like a small variant of the other of its like initial counterpart. But I think you get the drift on that. But but yeah. Anyway, so here is the back. So obviously the other doubles packs are Hot Wheels Safari and Wild Streak. The red Hotweiler versus the Edge Glow Hound Hauler, and then the most famous doubles pack, Hot Wheels Police versus Hooligan. Obviously, that's just a re-release from 2018, so. But yeah, obviously this card back is a little different. You can already see the mascots, and yes, it is the Japanese mythology pack, Raijyu versus Koumori. I am super excited about this doubles pack. When I first saw the picture of these two trucks on Instagram, I was like, oh boy, these look awesome. And yeah, I'm so happy I found this. And yeah, without further ado, let's get this unboxed. I just realized something. The Raijyu render has the Bigfoot grill printing. Weird. Alright, now let's unbox it. Alright, we're going to take a look at Raijyu first. So, it's got the gold B locks with red rims. Kind of a like neon yellow roll cage, kind of like the 124 scale truck. I think it's called Mega Jolt. Obviously now all the chassis are gonna have this new molding. And then yeah, let's take a look at the graphics of Raijyu. So it's got the Raijyu name and a bunch of like lightning bolts, and then you got like Japanese lettering, Hot Wheels and Monster Trucks logo. You got the dragon face on the side. On the top it says Raijyu. You got the mouth of the dragon, Hot Wheels logo, and then the head or the top of the dragon. Then same stuff on this side. Tailgate, it just says Raijyu, and I think that's like the eyes of the dragon. So I was doing research on the Raijyu and the Koumori. I guess the Raijyu is like the like electric dragon god thing from mythology. So yeah. I wonder if I think it's the god of thunder in mythology, and obviously it resembles a dragon. So yeah, because in Japan and China, dragons are the most common mythical creatures you would see a part of their culture. So yeah, and then here we have Koumori, which I will say I think Koumori is my favorite of the two because of the I like the cherry red paint job that they gave it. It's either cherry red or candy apple red, but regardless, it's very cool. So it's got a blue roll cage, and then these nice looking red rims. Nothing on the grill, but obviously if you have like a bright light, or if you put it in the sun, like you can see the like metallic flake across the body. Then on the roof you got the Koumori. The Koumori is actually a bat, apparently. And then here you have like the mouth. Look, or something, and it's like, it's very intimidating, and it's very cool. And it says Koumori right there. On the side you got the Koumori face, and then it says Koumori. Then you got the small open jaw, and then the Hot Wheels and Monster Trucks logo. Then like the background detail is just micro details of like the bat character itself. And then you got the eyes and the nose of the Koumori face, and then the Koumori logo, and then same graphics on this side. But overall, a really nice double pack, and it's nice that both of these two trucks were brand new releases for this year. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you can, and share this video with your friends if you got like friends or family that's interested in it, that really likes monster trucks or whatever. And yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video. And yeah, that's I got nothing else to say. So yeah, so be sure during this pandemic to continue to stay safe and stay healthy. And yeah, this is Curry Gaming signing off.